Same playbook. Let's compare the 2026 Iran war to the 2003 Iraq war, focusing on weapons and tactics. First, the buildup. In both cases, the US moved in heavy. 2 carrier strike groups, big surface fleet, roughly 40% of US Navy ships tied to the region. In 2003, the pre-invasion armada set the standard. Massed power to shape the battle space before day one. Opening blows? 2003, shock and awe, tomahawks, stealth, precision strikes, to blind air defenses and slice command nodes. 2026, same grammar, new vocabulary. Tomahawks again opened the first wave. US and Israeli jets executed rapid SID, jamming radars, hunting SAMs, neutralizing defenses within hours. Wild Weasel F-16s then. Wild Weasel F-16s and F-35 Adir now.
Air dominance?
2003, F-117s, B-2s led stealth strikes. 2026, that escalates. F-35C, F-22, B-2, MQ-9 persistent surveillance over Tehran. Israel added a twist. Black Sparrow air-launched ballistic missiles from F-15s. Over 1,200 bombs in 24 hours. Fast, precise, overwhelming. In Iraq, thousands of guided munitions defined the campaign. In Iran 2026, tens of thousands of pieces of ordnance, roughly $3.7 billion in the first 100 hours, about $891 million per day. Decapitation strikes and regime pressure? 2003, leadership targets aimed to collapse decision-making. 2026, opening salvo reportedly killed Iran's supreme leader. US statements framing the goal as regime change. Remove the head, accelerate political outcomes. Now, the big difference, Iran fights back with mass. Since February 28, 500 plus missiles, nearly 2,000 drones, aimed at Israel and US targets. In 2003, Iraq couldn't saturate like this. One-way attack drones are the budget cruise missile. Slow, cheap, launched in waves. That forces a 24/7 defensive grind. Naval pressure? In 1991 and 2003, sea control mattered. 2026 puts global oil at center stage. Iran closed the Strait of Hormuz, disrupting about 20% of world oil flow, nudging Brent from roughly $70 to over $80 in days. CENTCOM reports 11 Iranian warships destroyed, including a drone carrier. Classic sea denial met with decisive sea control. Finally, persistence. Iran spent years hardening tunnels, concealed bases, protected launch sites. Even after shock and awe, capability remains, pushing planners toward prolonged exchanges, not a quick finish.
Bottom line, it's that same